currently on the Lectric XP 3.0, and oh my god, this bike is actually not that good. Dude. Man, I need to start giving you guys some updates on these bikes after about a month of using it. Let me show you my biggest complaint with this bike. Here we go. Do you freaking hear that? These brakes are horrible. Now granted, Lectric's brakes have always been pretty loud, so it's nothing new, but god dang, I've only had this bike for a couple of months. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your honest review on the Lectric XP 3.0 if you own one. Are your brakes loud as hell? Like, what's going on with the bike? Is the bike breaking down? I feel like the suspension is kind of bouncy. You tell me. Anyways, we're on our way to the UPS store. We're gonna drop off some turtleneck stems for some happy customers. I just want to give you guys a quick update on the turtleneck FX pre-orders. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting on those. Shout out to everybody that got one. Oh my god, turtleneck stem to the moon. If you currently go on my website right now, you'll see that the pre-orders are for April. That is because we got way more pre-orders than I expected. I'm not gonna even lie to you guys. There were so many people that wanted to get on the March pre-order that I just decided to up the amount. So with that being said, there's a ton of turtleneck stems that my manufacturer has to produce. And to be honest with you guys, there was a slight delay in the production process. It was only a couple days, but it pushed it back just a little bit. So when I initially announced the FX pre-orders, I said that they would ship in March, and that is still the goal, guys. So the FX stems are currently in their final stage of production, and once they're done with that, my manufacturer is gonna ship them to me. Now, originally, I was gonna have them shipped via sea freight, like on a boat, but that takes forever. It takes like 15, almost 25 days, something like that. So we'll see, depending on when they're done with the production process. I might have to expedite the shipping. I might have to do like half of the pre-orders shipped by air. Everybody that pre-ordered back when I first announced the FX, you guys will be getting it first. And then anybody that's pre-ordered most recently, I would say within the last, oh my god, Jesus, that was a big ass dog. What was I saying? Like I was saying, anybody that pre-order like within the last like 2 weeks, you'll most likely get your stem in the beginning of April, okay? So yeah, but shout out to everybody that ordered thus far. You're really changing your boy's life, I'm not gonna lie. That was one of the reasons why I wanted to give away that that e-scooter the other day. I mean, it was partially due to, you know, me wanting to pay it forward, but the simple fact that turtleneck stem is like booming right now, your boy is living financially free. And with that being said, I could do a lot more like fun stuff, like giving away e-bikes and giving away stuff. Like, I love doing stuff like that. I don't know if you guys noticed. As far as the YouTube channel, I've been having a lot of fun making videos, especially these last two. Like, those videos were super dope. I want to keep that up, but to be honest with you, I have a ton of e-bikes to review. Like, every other day, your boy gets an email from an e-bike company wanting me to do a review, and I'm like, heck yes, it's free. It got to the point where I actually had to get a storage unit to store the bikes. I can no longer fit e-bikes in my garage. I have way too many. These next couple videos are gonna have to just be like strictly reviews. I'm not gonna be able to like really get too creative. I know the companies don't really care about that, but like for the viewers, I know my videos are way better when I actually like put some thought into it. But I guarantee you, once I'm done with these reviews, your boy's gonna get back to making like super dope content like these previous videos. But yeah, just a heads up. And then also, your boy just hit 10,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel. Okay, thanks guys, I really appreciate that one. I know normally people do something to celebrate. I might do that. I know I'm a little bit over 10,000, but I still might do like a little celebration or something. We'll see. But I really appreciate everybody that's subscribed and that continues to watch my videos. Like, it really means a lot. And as you can see, it really changed my life. I said this in a previous video, but your boy doesn't work a 9-to-5 anymore. And man, life has been amazing, dog. All right, and we are at the UPS store. Let's go ahead and drop off these stems. I think I have a couple packages too. All right, just dropped off the stems. Let's go ahead and hop back on the bike to be honest with you, my day is done, guys. I'm about to go home, answer a couple emails, and I don't know. I need to find a new hobby. Actually, let's pull over to a nearby park. I want to give you guys a closer look at the Turtleneck FX. Last time you guys saw it, I believe it was on my XP Lite. I'll show you guys a closer look of how it looks on the XP 3.0 for all you 3.0 owners out there. Even if you don't own an Lectric, the Turtleneck FX works on all folding e-bikes, guys. If you want to get in on an April pre-order, I will leave a link to it in the description down below. Don't forget to use code AMP20OFF to save some money, guys. This is the Turtleneck FX mounted onto a Lectric XP 3.0. Your Lectric 3.0 does not look like this, I guarantee it. Yours has a long giraffe neck stem and some mountain bike handlebars on a BMX style bike. So if you own the Lectric XP 3.0 or the Lectric XP Lite, you will not require a quill stem adapter. It mounts right onto the bike. Look at how clean that looks. So this is how the Turtleneck FX works. You undo this latch on the side. It's like a safety mechanism. Even if you undo this latch, the bars won't come down. Check it out. It only comes down if you undo the second latch. Now the bars can come down. Boom. So this is gonna be the top of the steer tube right here. It mounts right onto it, and it's like plug and play pretty much. The only thing that you have to do is remove all the components off of your handlebars and put them onto a BMX style handlebar, but that's super easy. If you guys want me to make a video on that, I can definitely do it. In order to lock it in place, you lift them back up, you put up the first latch. Look, check it out. They will not come down. Boom, boom. But we have a secondary locking mechanism just in case. Boom, now they really won't come down. And there it is, BMX bars, guys. Another cool feature with the Turtleneck FX is that you can raise the height. So let's say that this is too low for you. You can always raise it a little bit higher. It's kind of like the XL. So this is the max height of the handlebars. If you guys want to raise it up, it still doesn't look too bad. I personally like to rock it at the lowest setting. That's just me though. Also, one thing to note is that these bikes aren't like a typical BMX bike. Like this tube right here sits a little bit lower. So if you just mounted this BMX stem to the top of the steer tube, your bars would be like right here. You know what I mean? Like your bars would be too low. So that's the reason why the Turtleneck stem is a little bit long. It's not extra long. I think it looks decent, but I don't know, you tell me. That's why I made it this height, because I know a lot of you guys are a little bit older and you might have back issues, and I know you don't want to be hunched over on your bike, so that's the reason why the Turtleneck is this long. But yeah, guys, this was just a quick update video on the Turtleneck FX pre-orders. If you're part of the March pre-orders, I'm going to try my best to get them out by the end of the month. And if you guys are part of the April pre-orders, I will try my best to get those out at the beginning of April. But I will keep you guys updated. If you guys have any questions, head over to my website. Other than that, that's gonna do it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this one. This is just a quick update video, nothing crazy. I hope you enjoy my bike. Hope you enjoy my product. And yeah, go get yourself a Turtleneck stem. Link will be in the description down below. Until the next one, deuces. Like that. Yee!